Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, I wanted to dive into the difference between my schedule planner and my to-do planner, how to manage your schedule as far as the different things you have to do throughout your day, and your to-do list, your task management system. But if you're brand new to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about my system. So this is my Tom 90 planner. This is the one book that I use to organize my entire life, and it is called my Tom 90 planner because it is a 90-day system that helps me to stay on top of everything that I want to organize. I like to organize my life within 90-day increments because it really does help me to stay focused and intentional on the things that I would like to get done. There are 4 different planners and 2 other sections that help me to stay on top of everything, and I have labeled them all. So I do have 6 side tabs here. We also have 3 bottom tabs and 4 top tabs at the top. The current sections that I have in here are my schedule, my to-do section, my social media, faith, budget, and my future section. With all 6 of these sections, I usually get the most questions about 2 of them. I believe my social media, faith, and budget planner are pretty straightforward. Most people understand how they all work together. But when it comes to my schedule section and my to-do section, I usually get the most questions about how these 2 sections work together. So in today's video, I wanted to dive into how they work together and how I use them in order to organize my day. So let's start off with the schedule section. So my schedule section is a weekly hourly planner, and this is where I will time block and stay on top of every single thing that I would like to get done throughout my week. My schedule starts at 6 a.m. and it ends at 10 p.m. and I am mapping out all of the different things that I have to do for my house, for my family, for my work, for my church, and personally. So my schedule section is really based on time. It is what time I need to be in certain places, what time do I need to do certain tasks, and what time meetings or certain appointments need to happen. So at the very top, I have my top tasks of things that I would like to get done on that particular day. And then throughout the day, you see I have scheduled certain things that I would like to get done. I usually will add colorful boxes in order to help me to know the main things that I would like to get done. And then the other things I have just written in here. On my sidebar, I will keep up with my YouTube schedule and just different things that are coming up for the week. And I also will keep track of my routines and also what I am eating. So every single Sunday, I will fill out my weekly hourly planner. This is the one that helps me to map out the entire week, and it lets me know the big things that I need to get done and also the big things that I need to schedule throughout the week. I consider this planner my most important planner because this is the one that really tells me what time I need to do certain things and where I need to be at certain times. So I really do use this one the most. However, as you can see, there isn't a lot of space for me to add additional details of different things that are coming up. So this planner really does serve as a catch-all, a hub, an overview of everything that is happening throughout my week. And since it's not super detailed, I do like to have more details in another section of my planner. And that is where my to-do section comes in. So my to-do planner is a vertical planner where I can add in way more details of everything else that I need to complete throughout the week. You can consider this planner like my task management system. It is the spot where I will brain dump. I will dump everything that's kind of coming up throughout the week, anything that I want to get done, anything that I am thinking through, any idea that I might have, it will all go within this planner. I don't like to have too many sections in my planner where I'm dropping off ideas and brain dumping and keeping up with all of the different tasks. So this one really does serve as my task management system for every single area that I have in my life. I will add my church tasks, my work tasks, and sometimes personal tasks on this one because I'm usually not able to add all of the different tasks that I need in this small section of my planner. So this one really does help me to kind of brain dump all of the things that I am thinking of. It is a great spot for me to get things out of my head and and put them on paper. So that is the main difference between this planner and my schedule planner. My schedule planner really tells me what time I need to do certain things, and it also holds the top tasks that I need to get done throughout my day. But my to-do planner is where I will brain dump all of the different ideas and things that I am thinking through. I may not get done all of the tasks that I have written down in this planner actually done, but keeping them all in this one section in my planner does help me to stay on top of my schedule and possibly move them from my to-do planner to my schedule planner. This is also a spot where I can go into more detail about where I am on a particular task. So within my schedule planner, I might write down that I need to film a certain video, but within my to-do planner, I will write down that I need to film, edit, upload, do the thumbnail for any particular video, and I can check off and see where exactly I am in the process. So in my brain, when I am thinking through what are the overall things that I need to get done and the top tasks that I need to get done, they are all within my schedule planner, and I know exactly what time I'm going to be working on certain things. But then when it comes down to the details and the brain dump and the ideas, then it will all go within my to-do planner, and I know that I can flip here and see where I am in the process of any particular task that I have. So that is the main difference between the two. These two are usually the ones I get the most questions about, because it feels like if I have all of my tasks or all of my to-dos within this planner, why do I need this planner? But really they are very different, because these are just my top tasks. It is not a detailed list of every single thing that I have to do. It is just the top things that I need to get done. And this is a detailed list of my brain dumps, my ideas, and all of the other things that I would like to get done throughout my week. And in addition to my work planner, if I wanted to go into more detail about the different things that I want to post on social media, I do have the list of things that I want to get done this particular week, but I also have listed out my posting planner where I map out what I want to post to Instagram, to TikTok, to YouTube, and all of the different spaces that I usually will need to post, and all of the things that are coming up. I also have in here a content ideas list where I can map out all of the ideas that I have and the different things that I would like to do on my channel or on YouTube or on TikTok. So each section of my planner has a very specific purpose. And since it has a specific purpose, I am less likely to get sidetracked or to not use my planner. For the most part, I am going to use this because it really does help me to stay on top of all of the other areas of my life. So if you missed last week's YouTube live, in that live, I did dive into how do I make time for everything. I talked about all of the different areas of my life and how I map them out within my planner in order to make time for them all. So I definitely highly suggest that you check out that video. And if you want to think through how you can possibly do this exact system within your planner, my next video will be on how to set up a mind map so you can think through how to do this process for yourself. So make sure that you check out last week's video and the next upcoming one, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.